let's get into this question. Is AI helping or harming? Is it ruining content creation? My opinion, no. I don't think it is. I think it has benefits. I think that there are some mistakes. It harms the content creation. I think if you do it properly, if you use the tools in the right way, no, it doesn't harm it. And we're going to get into exactly why that is and what makes the difference. That makes the difference between AI helping or harming content. So AI can be used to give you an entire script just from one sentence, or it can be used to edit your entire video, or it can be used to provide you with a voiceover using a voice that doesn't even exist. Probably belongs to somebody and is, kind of like Siri. They recorded a whole bunch of stuff, but the technology has evolved so much that you can do pretty much anything with AI. You can even fake a face. So with there being so much that AI is capable of doing, from adding subtitles to faking faces, there's a lot of concern about AI and whether it's good or not. And there are tools like Bith.ai that can do 100% of the creation process for you. AI can now take the entire content process from 3 to 6 hours for a video down to 60 seconds. Bith.ai lets you give a text prompt to the AI, and then the AI will generate a script, let you review it, and then it will generate scenes, let you review them, and then export the entire video for you. If you want to try this with Bith.ai, then go to Bith.ai in your web browser on either your smartphone or your PC. Sign in and give it a shot. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you can't figure it out, somewhere up here maybe I'll put one of those cards with the links to videos that I've made walking you through the entire process. The thing with AI content and what can hurt content creation as a whole, and your content in particular, is when you don't take the time to review and make changes during the AI creation process. Bith.ai specifically lets you alter the script, gives you a chance to alter the duration of scenes, the subtitles, the fonts, anything you want. AI is not human. AI can do all of the technical. You have to put that human element into your content, because that's how other people make you a success or not. That is how those people are going to relate. So my advice is never upload an AI video simply as is generated by the AI. Make sure that it is emotional. Make sure that it's accurate. AI can hallucinate and make mistakes. AI is not the brain. You are the brain. AI is just a tool. AI is no different than, say, a 3D printer. The 3D printer on its own is not going to get it right. The 3D printer is a tool that is operated by people with brains, and you are the person with a brain who needs to be in control of and operate the AI effectively. Failure to do this is the reason why some people use AI and get millions and millions of views on all their videos and followers and subscribers, and they're going crazy viral. So in short, no, I don't think that AI is ruining content creation. Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below what you thought of it, how you feel about this, and I will see you in the next video. Just as soon as you have liked this video, subscribed to the channel, the more people we can ask this question to, the better. The more we as an AI tool provider can align ourselves to what the community of content creators are thinking and wanting and feeling about AI. So share this with as many people as possible. With that, I will see you in the next video.